Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys a trick for the infamous 6.0 up pipe clamp. A lot of people have a problem putting this on. This guy with this truck basically said he's tried it like 7 times. But I got the clamp popped off here, as you can see, and that is the gap when I pulled it off. That's literally what it looked like. So, best way to tell, which I'll show you when I put it back together, how you know you got it. But you know, basically access the clamp, get it off, and I'll show you the next trick. Alright, clearly you can see the soot kitchen up there. It's pretty bad. But what I'm gonna do is on the driver's side, on the bottom bolt, just loosen the easiest bolt to get to, which on the driver's side it's this one. If you have the updated EGR leg, best thing to do is get you a long extension. You can use a straight socket, but I'm using a ball socket, and go right through the wheel well right there and grab that top bolt. And all I gotta do is hold it with a wrench and loosen it. Alright, so all you gotta do is loosen one bolt on each side, just the driver's side. If you have the stock EGR leg, if you have the updated EGR leg, you undo one bolt on both sides. Alright, so now that just one bolt on each side is loose, you got some room to wiggle the pipe. The clamp, I don't like the way this clamp was. To me, it's backwards. See if I can flip it around. Alright, so you notice I finally got the damn clamp off, but since now you have the play, you can line it up now. So the first thing you gotta do is get the clamp back in. I like to face the T-bolt up out at you at the top. Alright. Finally got the clamp slid back on there. I like to have the T-bolt up into the front, so I can run the socket down and get it on that. So what I'm going to do now is push it over the turbo. Since this one has the heat guard right here, you can't really slide it up on that one. But see, pipe's seated. Pop the clamp open. Just like that. Now, what I do to make sure it's in place, then I'll hold up on the clamp. Like that. Well, this clamp's fucked up because it doesn't have the space here, but we're gonna make it. So how you know you got it is if you look at the gap, no more than the tip of your finger should go in it. Before it was wider than the tip of my finger. But got her licked there, and then tighten the 2 up pipe bolts, just a single bolt, get it loosened, and you're done. Alright, get the 10 there on the bolt. That one. we go through the outer wheel well on the passenger side on the upper bolt. 10 on the top. And that's it. Put the degas and breather back on, you're done. What the hell is wrong with this thing? Thing with soot is you gotta wipe it, otherwise the pressure cleaner will knock it off.